Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us see the another way of switching branches. So let us see about using the Git Checkout command. Historically, we used Git Checkout command to switch branches, and this command is still working as well. So using the Git Checkout and followed by the branch name, we can also switch to another branches. In the previous video, we have seen how to switch to different branch using the switch command, which is the newer command, and the older command git checkout, that is still working. And if you look into the older tutorial or docs, you can see they are still using the checkout command rather than the switch command. And make a note that both git checkout and git switch, both commands are still working. However, the git checkout command, it does a million of additional things. So the decision was made to add a standalone switch command so that we can use that to switch different branch. Okay, so let us see some example how the git checkout command works. So now let me run git status, and I am in the ISC branch, and if I run git branch command, I have only two branches currently, and the asterisk is pointing to the ISC branch. So now if I want to switch to master branch, I can do that using the git checkout and master. Okay, now if I run git branch, now I'm in the master branch. So next, let us see how we can create and switch to the branch in the single command instead of creating and switching using the different command. Okay, so using the git switch command with the -c flag, we can create a new branch, and then we can switch it to that branch in one go. And -c used for create. So let me see some examples. Okay, now I'm going to create a new branch and switch to that branch using the single command. So currently I have only two branch, ISC and master. So let me create some new branch, git switch, and using the -c flag to create a new branch, and let me put CI/CD. Okay, now I have created the new branch and also switched to that new branch. So if I run git branch, you can see the asterisk pointing to the CI/CD branch. Okay, so using the same git checkout also we can do that using git checkout -b and then followed by the branch name. Okay, now if I run git branch, you see that we have created new branch and also switched to the new branch using the single command. And if you want to delete any branch, you can use the -d flag followed by the branch name. And if there are any unstaged changes, then you cannot delete it using the -d flag if you're not going to commit the changes. So for that, you can use the -d in a capital letter. And for renaming the branches, you can use the -m flag. So now let us see some real-time example for that. Okay, as you can see, currently we have 4 branches. So now if I try to delete the branch, git branch -d test branch, it will not allow me to delete because currently I have checked out to this branch. So now let me switch to a different branch. I can use switch or checkout command as well. Okay, now if I run the git branch -d test branch, it says deleted branch. So now if I run git branch command, I don't see that branch anymore. And if I want to rename any existing branch, I can use the -m flag. So for example, currently I'm in the CACD branch, and if I want to rename it to something else, I can use the git branch -m and followed by the branch name. So now if I run git branch, you can see that CACD has been renamed to cloud name. Okay, you can run the git log to see the commits. So we have not made any commits here, and you can see the head is pointing to the cloud branch. We can run git status. Okay, there is nothing to commit. Okay, let me do some commit here. So git branch. So I'm in the cloud branch now. Let me switch to git branch IAC. Sorry, I need to use the git switch IAC. And if I cat the file, we see only the IAC tools Ansible. And now let me check out using the checkout command. Okay, so now let me add something to the file. Okay, we don't see anything here. Okay, now if I run git status, there are unstaged file. So let me git add git commit updated develop tools.txt with the cloud. Okay, now if I run git status, there is nothing to commit, and if I run git log, you can see there is a commit. Okay, now head is pointing to the cloud. And now if I switch to git switch master cat, okay, we can see that only cloud and AWS Azure. And if I switch to IAC git switch, you can see only the Ansible here. Okay, that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next. Thank you.